Greetings, history enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a riveting journey through time to relive a watershed moment, India's Independence Day in 1947. Prepare to be captivated by the heroic struggles, the unbreakable spirit, and the euphoric triumph that shaped a nation's destiny. Our tale begins in the shadows of British colonial rule, as India endured centuries of subjugation, its people yearning for the sweet taste of liberty. Step into the shoes of iconic leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, who wielded the weapon of nonviolence, and Subhash Chandra Bose, who ignited the flame of armed resistance, propelling India towards its inevitable rendezvous with freedom. The backdrop of World War II set the stage for monumental change. The British Empire's vulnerability paved the way for India's demand for self-determination. And then, on August 15, 1947, as the clock struck midnight, India shook off the shackles of colonialism, a moment that etched itself into the annals of history. Jawaharlal Nehru's iconic Tryst with Destiny speech echoed across the land as a new era dawned, promising a land of opportunity and equality for all. Witness the fervor as diverse communities came together, united by the dream of a free nation. The tricolor soared high, and the echoes of Jana Gana Mana filled the air. However, independence came with its own set of trials. The wounds of partition ran deep, but India's resilience shone through, steering the nation towards progress. As we reflect on this epic saga, let's remember that India's Independence Day is more than a date, it's a legacy of bravery, sacrifice, and unity, inspiring generations to come. Dear viewers, as we bid adieu to this captivating journey, let's honor the sacrifices of our forebears, whose unwavering resolve paved the way for the India we know today. If you found this voyage through history enthralling, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet again, keep the flames of curiosity burning.